If you saw this question on the math SAT, how long would it take you to solve it? We have this function f of x, which is a parabola ax squared plus bx plus c, and then the graph passes through the points 7, comma 0 and negative 3, comma 0. If a is an integer greater than 1, which of the following would be values of a plus b? This is really simple. You need to know how to solve this if you want to have anywhere close to an 800. Those of you who think you know how to solve this problem, there is a trick in this at the end and you have to be careful, so watch all the way through. So first thing we should do is, if you don't know what's going on, is to just graph these points. So let's call that 7, 0 and negative 3, comma 0 approximately. And because it says a is an integer greater than 1, that means our parabola is going to be upwards facing because a is positive. So our parabola is going to look something like this. Close enough. Let's just call this negative 3. Okay, and so we can write f of x then as the solution of these 2 points because these are solutions to the function. So x minus 7 times x plus 3. So if I plug in 7 into x right here, 7 minus 7 is 0, and anything times 0 is 0, which is our y value. Or if I plug in negative 3 here, right, negative 3 plus 3 is 0, and then anything times 0 is going to be 0. So we have f of x, and we want to put it in this format right here. So we're just simply going to FOIL this out. So x times x is x squared, x times 3 is 3x, negative 7 times x is negative 7x, and negative 7 times 3 is negative 21, which is x squared minus 4x minus 21. Now, if you were going really fast, you'd think, okay, we're looking for a plus b, so 1 minus 4 is negative 3, call it a day. But a is an integer greater than 1. Right now, a is 1. So this cannot be right. So we multiply everything by 2. And we will still get the same equation because this is just a constant. So now we have 2x squared minus 8x minus 20, or 42. And now 2 minus 8 is negative 6. So read the question carefully and don't make that mistake.